How was the 9 years? How did it start?
I did my first ad, which was Sunsilk.
Right.
I don't know how ads get popular, but this one got really popular. I think something you shouldn't do is doubt yourself.
We have been following you for a very long time. So I am a big follower of yours. So I go through your social media all the time. And what I found out that you recently posted about you being in the industry for 9 years.
Yes.
So that's a long
Yes.
journey, guys. 9 years, right?
Yeah.
So how was the 9 years? What was it like? What was the first thing that you did? How did it start?
How did it start?
Yep.
I made some dub smashes. And I was cast in a movie. And then I did my first ad, which was Sunsilk.
Sunsilk, guys, first ad. Wow.
And that blew up.
Right.
I don't know how ads get popular, but this one got really popular. And then
Right.
people took notice of me
Yep.
and then just never looked back. But as to answer how it's been like anyone's life. It's had its ups and it's had its downs, and I've lived through it all, and I've enjoyed and I've cried and I've put myself back together and I've broken down. So just like anyone else, I think I've had a very normal life. Just the difference is that it's been in front of the camera.
Right.
So, Alhamdulillah, I can't complain about anything. It's been lovely. Because of what I do, I get to meet all of you lovely people across the globe, and I'm really, really happy for the opportunities that I've gotten.
Lovely, alhamdulillah. Big round of applause for her. So when was the first time you really thought that you have made it?
Never,
Never?
never. No.
That's great. So
Do you
see-
think you've made it?
Not at all.
No.
Not even
No,
close.
I don't know. I don't think I've made it. I don't know. I think it's a problem. I should speak to someone about it.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think all of us really like to, when we are working in this industry, we like to Google ourselves, right? So what was that search, or what was that billboard moment, or what was that first headline that really made you proud?
I think the first Sunsilk billboard.
So billboard. So
I
guys,
think that's at that point, at like 18, 19, that's when I thought I'd made it, when I saw my first Sunsilk billboard. And I would actually go through drive-thrus.
Right.
And you know, when you were ordering, I would tell them, because they wouldn't be able to see me, but they could hear me. So I'd tell them, right in front of your shop, it's my billboard, and it's me on the Sunsilk's billboard.
Oh, lovely.
So I would like make sure everyone knew that.
Right. That's a fantastic moment, guys. So,
Yeah.
one last thing that I want to ask you is, there are a lot of young people here. All of them are content creators, and they really look up to you.
Yes.
So if they really want to get into the career or into your footsteps, so what are the things they should do, they shouldn't do? What would be your few words for them?
I think something you shouldn't do is doubt yourself. Whatever you're doing, even if it's something different from everyone else, your peers, everyone, they're doing something different and you want to do something else completely, do it. And for a year, 2 years, maybe it will be cringe for them. And then when that becomes cool, it'll be cool for them. So never underestimate yourself and keep doing what you want to do. And yeah, that's my advice. Do not leave your authenticity for anything or anyone. Yeah.
Lovely. Big round of applause.